What's up, YouTube? Scored this on Prime Day, and I said I probably wouldn't do an unboxing, or I may do an unboxing, but this is kind of a new product, so there's probably not a lot of unboxings out there. So just so you guys know what you get in the box, let's unbox it and see what you get. Let's go. Let's put this light on, see if we get a little bit better light in here. There we go. All right. Please read the quick start guide on the back. There's a big sign that says read the quick start guide on the back. So we'll get to that, but let's put that to the side. All right, what do we got in here? So we have plastic, or I'm sorry, styrofoam with some stuff on it. Not sure if you guys can get that in there, but let's stick that here. Actually, you know what? Take it back. Let's just see what we got. What is this? Oh, it looks like this is, I'm not sure if this is extra, but this looks like the bag that goes into the base, and that stores all of the trash that the vacuum picks up. That's what that looks like right there. All right, so let's see what this is here. What do we got here? Actually, so let's see here. Yeah, so this looks like this is the ramp that connects to the dock. Set that aside. And then we have the little mopping pads. And I believe these are magnetic and they're Velcro. So as you can see, you can kind of, maybe you can't see, but so they're Velcro, so you can take them off and you're supposed to be able to throw them in the washing machine. But they're supposed to be magnetic too. So let's put those to the side. And then we have the good old safety guidelines and certification book, whatever that means. All right, so that's it for that. So then you have just a power cord, nothing special. I'm sure this is for the dock. And here is the actual unit. Oh, let's see, where do we, okay, here we go. Wow, why is there some water in here? Well, that's pretty odd. There's some water moisture in here, and I'm gonna think it's probably from when they tested it, I'm gonna guess, right? So that's kind of weird, but there was some moisture in here, and this plastic, let's see, it wasn't much, it was just a little bit, but there definitely was some moisture in here, and I'm gonna say it has something to do with the mopping feature, probably when they tested it. But so let's stick this to the side for a second. So that's the actual vacuum. All right. All right. So let's pull this up. Okay. So this is just another piece of styrofoam, and it looks like, you know what I probably should have did. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, so you can see what's in here. This is how the dock is. So that styrofoam was just in there. Alright. Alright, so it looks like that's pretty much it. Alright. Yep. It's just the other side of the styrofoam to protect the dock. So let's go ahead and take this tape off. Like I said, I'm not going to really go into the features. There's some other videos, but I just thought I'd go real quick on what you get and what it looks like. All right. So here is the dock. Of course, it's got all this plastic doohickeys on it. You got your 2 water tanks up here. Let's get that off. Let's see. So this is supposed to be your dirty water tank, and this is supposed to be your clean water tank, from what I've read. You can actually see the little symbol here. So one had the clean and this one has the dirty. And then so let's peel that off. The old satisfying peel off. Okay, so here is the door. Okay, so this opens. It's got 2 like pressure deals here. So you can open it like that. It does have a gasket right here, as I can see. Has the Roborock branding right there. And then it does already have a bag already inside. So that's cool. So then you know that you get 2. See, that's actually pretty simple to install. Alright, so you push that in. Pretty simple. But you do get 2 bags, so you get a spare right off the bat. Alright, so let's look down here. What do we get? Can we do this whole video with no nonsense and no cuts? Maybe. Probably not, but we're going to give it a try. So this is a little picture of I don't really understand. And I know this is one of, let me talk about this real quick. This is one of the reasons why I really chose this. From the videos that I saw, you could take this out and wash this out. And this is what the vacuum with the little mop attachments here, right? So it pulls up and it like rubs itself on these little, I don't know, spikes, whatever you want to call it. And that's how it cleans itself. So you know this thing's going to get really dirty, right? I mean, it's going to get really dirty. So you can pull this out, take it to the sink, whatever, clean it off, and get it all nice and new. Because a lot of them look like, I mean, you would have to try to reach in here and do that, right? Well, I don't want to do that. So, yeah. Let me see if I can get in here. Let's turn this little light on. All right. So imagine trying to get in there and clean that mess, right? When you can just pop this out and the whole thing comes out. I'm not sure how this works, but there you go. You get a good look in there of what's going on. All right, so, oh man, it's warming up today. But there you go. That's, let me turn this little light back off here. That's just a quick unboxing of, oh, you know what? I'm sorry. Let's go back over here real quick. And let's just look at the vacuum. So this looks real similar to my S5. So, but let's take a look real quick. It is very similar. So there's the dustpan. It even has the same type of like air filter. I believe this is where it sucks the bad stuff out in the dock. Looks like this is washable. So let's see here. I'm not sure, but I'll figure it out. So the little dustbin, does seem a little bit smaller than my old one, but if it self-empties, like how is that even an issue, right? Not at all. But it does look similar. You got the charge ports here. And let's see, so it, yep, so it goes in there. So I guess it backs up into here. Boom. You know what? Let's move this way. Let's grab this other mopping pad, these other little accessories that are on the top. And let's flip it over. Right, being gentle and delicate because it is new. Now let's see how these go on there. I think they just, yep, that's it. Wow, so, and yeah, it's got a good little, you can feel the magnet kind of holding it in there. Right, so, okay. Let's see if we can get a better look here. But yeah, they just pop on. Piece of cake, right? And then, looks like this will pop out. This is kind of just like my old one. Yep, and it just easily, man, it looks very similar to my old one. But my old one had some like hairy brushes on here, and they get kind of nasty. Hopefully this is a better system. But you see how easily, and this is spring loaded. I believe my other one was too. This comes apart so easy to get in there. Excellent. Then you have the little brush, spinning brush. Got a bunch of sensors, tires similar to my old one. Big sensor with reactive tech obstacle avoidance in the front. It does have LiDAR, which my old one did too. And I mean, it worked pretty good, even the old one. So I can only imagine what this new one is going to be like. But I don't want to make this video too long. You know, we're just, like I said, just unbox it, see what you get. You do get 2 bags. Oh, you know what? Let's slap this on there real quick. Looks pretty straightforward. It's got some little clips in there. Boom, there you go. Pop it on. Let's see, this guy is going to back in. Something like that, I'm thinking. And there you go. But yeah, I will cut. I'm going to plug it in and maybe go through the app real quick, get it going. Got my email popping in on me. But get the app going, you know, just to get a little glimpse of it running on its first run. And then we'll just conclude the video then. So let's go. All right, just a quick glance of where my old one's at. And I'm gonna get the new one in here somewhere. All right, well, that was pretty painless. So it had me fill in the clean water tank, which I know this is probably overboard, but I put filtered water in there. I just figured that would be better. And then it had me hold these 2 buttons. Actually, let me set my phone down real quick. So it had me hold these 2 buttons to reset the Wi-Fi. And then this is going through the app. It connected, did a firmware update, and now my phone is telling me to do a quick mapping. It's probably kind of hard to see, but so I'm going to hit that button and then we're going to see what happens. So let's see what happens. Starting mapping. And there it goes. So we'll just conclude this video. We'll see what happens and I'll give an update. Actually, let me get out of the way. I'll give an update in about a week or so, and we'll see how it performs compared to my old one, my S5. But anyways, YouTube signing off. Peace.